How to set up workflow in HubSpot for email opening and closing. To set up a workflow in HubSpot for tracking email open and closes, follow the steps. Ensure that HubSpot is integrated with your email client, Gmail, or Outlook. This integration allows you to use the tracking feature directly from your email interface. When composing an email, you will see option to log and track. Log, it means save a copy of the email to the contact record, and track it will be monitored. You can set this option to be enabled by default through the HubSpot. In your HubSpot account, navigate to the automation flow. So here you have to just go to this automation, and then here you have to go to the workflow, right, to create a new workflow. So here you have to upgrade your HubSpot account to create a new workflow, just like on the right side. Right now, choose trigger based on a specific action, such as when a contact open an email, you can create list of contacts who open specific email and use this list as an enrollment criteria for your workflow. Within the workflow, add actions that are contingent on whether the email was open or clicked. Use the action branch to create different path based on whether the email was open or clicked. Select filters for marketing email to specify which emails you want to track. Depending on the outcome, if the email was open, you can set up further actions such as sending follow-up email, adding contact to the list, or notifying team members. Review all settings and test your workflow to ensure it functions as intended. Once satisfied, activate it to start automating your email interactions. By following the steps, you can effectively set up workflow in HubSpot that track when emails are open and manage subsequent action based on those interactions. This is it, guys. Thanks for watching this video.